This is the Ryudo's mini microphone windscreen 5-pack for lavalier mics like this one. I just wanted to do an unboxing for you and demo it for you and show you what it looks like when you get it and see if it works. I got my fan running right now. Alright, so here's what we get. Oh, look at those things. They're kind of big. So you get 5 of these big old windscreens. Wow. They're very furry. They look like cat toys. Well, that's not the easiest thing to do. All right, well, let's just see what happens when we try and put it on here. Taking this guy off. And, whoop, there it goes. Push that through the hole. I guess that's it. Shove it on there. It's not going anywhere. Should be good for blocking it out, but hey. All right, now I got it hooked up. Let's test it and see if it works in the wind, because it's a windscreen. Let's see. Bang. Up near the fan. How are we doing? See it blowing in the wind. Is it working? Let me see if it muffles out this fan noise as I put it closer to me here. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. If you're looking for an affordable 5-pack of mini microphone windscreens for your lavalier mic, check this one out. We'll see if it works after I edit this video.